How's it going? So in this video we're going to be looking at how to work with tables in Microsoft Word. So in step 16 it says import the file sp2benefit.csv and insert the contents as a table after the text, the main benefits listed. Okay, so when they say insert the contents, it means we're just going to copy and paste the information in this file. So it's a .csv file, which means if you double click on it, you're going to open it up in Excel. So if we look at the list of files that we have, so the benefit one is this one over here, sp2 benefit. You can see it's a green file, so we know it's going to open up at Microsoft Excel. Just double click on it just to open it. And this is what we'll get, something that looks like this. Okay, so just to start off before we copy and paste, if you see that the information's been cut off slightly, so you can see that this is not filled fully, or it's not being displayed, so you can't see everything that's in these cells. So what we're going to do is just make sure that we do see all the text and then we'll work from there. So in Excel, a nice thing to do is if you click on this little triangle above the one and next to the A, you'll see everything will become highlighted. And if you double click on the line in between the A and the B, it will resize everything for you so that all the text is fully visible. Okay, so this is what we want to copy and paste. So all we're going to do is going to highlight this, we're going to copy it, going to go to our document. Okay, so we're going to find that text where it is the main benefits listed. So that's over here, and I'm just going to paste it. So right click, the first option. Okay, so it has pasted the table in. You can see it's slightly cut off. So as you hover your mouse over the table, you'll see this claw will appear, and at the bottom right there's this little block, white block. So to make sure the table fits within the column width, I'm just going to move this white block in such a way that the table fits. And now everything looks visible. So nothing's been cut off. This is all the information that we needed to copy. Alright, so that is working. So that's how so whenever you see insert the content in Microsoft Word, it's just copy paste. So sort the data in the table into descending order of percentages. Okay, so if we look at this table, we want to sort this information over here in descending order of percentages. So to sort information in Word, you highlight the information you want to sort. So I'm not including the heading here. We don't want to sort the heading in with this information. So to sort, you go to Layout at the top. You're going to click on Sort, and you're going to choose the column you want to sort by. So column 1, it's picking up is the text, but column 1 is this information here, and we don't want to sort by column 1. We actually want to sort by the percentage column, so column 2. So we're going to change this to column 2. It's picking up, it's a number, and we choose if you want to put in ascending or descending. So we want a descending order, so we say OK. And it has now sorted the information for us. So that looks good. Insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. So we're going to insert is this record over here, improve staff morale 73%. So if we look at our table, 73% will come in between these two records. So I'm just going to right click, I'm going to go insert, and I'm going to put it below this cell that we have. So insert row below. So beneath the 74, we're going to now put in the new record. So improved staff morale 73%. Okay, cool. And apply the SP table style to the table. Okay, so in this one, in this document, I don't think I created the SP table style. So I'm just going to show you just briefly what to do. So if you want to apply a style to your table, all you're going to do is highlight your table, and you'll just choose a style that you are told to apply to it. So for example, if let's apply the let's say the ARC table style to it, you will just click on this, and it will apply that style to your table. Okay, so let's use this one then, ARC table. So sorry, I don't have the correct one that they're actually asking us to use. That's fine. So let's just finish step 19, and then we'll move on with the rest in the next video. So just make sure that the table and all data fit within the column width. So it fits within the column width. You can see basically the borders. You can see the borders over here. They're clearly visible. If, like what we had before, if you don't see the end of the border, like at this point over here, and you can see this text is being cut off, this is not fitting within the column width, then you'd have to use this little block, move it up in such a way so that it does fit in the column width. Alright, so that takes care of that. No words are split if text wraps within a cell. So text wrapping is basically what you're seeing over here. Benefits of offering, and then underneath the text wraps below it to apprenticeships. So if it's not displayed on one line, then the text is wrapping. So for example, this text is not wrapping here, improved productivity, but improved products or service quality is wrapping. Improved staff morale is not wrapping, this one is wrapping. So the idea here is that if the text does wrap, the words aren't split up. So for example, if you had service here, you wouldn't have SER and then VIC over here. You see this word is intact still, all together on the same line. So in this instance, the words aren't splitting over the text wrap. Every single word is as it should be. So that is alright in this question. That is taken care of already. And text in all rows is center aligned vertically. Okay, to center align your text in a table, you just highlight your table, and a right click, cell alignment, and if you want it to be center aligned vertically, it's basically these ones here that you're going to choose from, because these are all in the center, vertically speaking. So I'm probably going to choose the align center so that the text itself is also in the very middle of each cell. So I'm going to say align center, and then you can see that this 86, vertically speaking, is in the middle of this cell. Alright, so and the same applies to all the other text in this table. Alright, so I hope that was okay. Let me know if you have any questions.